If you are one of the millions on a journey toward the American dream of owning your own home, then you probably already know. It's tough out there. This week, the average interest rate on a 30-year mortgage climbed to 7.48%, the highest level since November 2000.
It is very, very freaking hard to buy a house.
Rates have nearly tripled in the span of just a couple of years from the lows seen during the pandemic. Back in January 2021, they dipped to 2.65%. That climb came as the Federal Reserve aggressively hiked interest rates to tame inflation, which ballooned above 9% last summer. But even as overall inflation has cooled and the Fed has slowed its efforts, mortgage rates have continued to climb, a lingering problem for both house hunters and would-be sellers who are opting to stay put.
Sellers are really in the driver's seat right now. The problem is they don't want to drive. They likely have a rate that's either 4% or below, and so they're in what we call the golden handcuffs.
So how long will interest rates stay this high?
No one has a crystal ball. We don't know when rates will pull back again. It really all just depends on inflation.
Stacey Esser, a real estate agent in New Jersey, says her clients are feeling the squeeze.
Buyers are frustrated. They're upset. And a lot of them are looking back, wishing they bought 2 years ago.
What are things buyers are sacrificing right now to get into a home?
We're seeing some pullback. We're seeing some buyers that are saying, you know what, I'm going to hold on. And they're sitting on the sidelines.
Experts say if you are in the market, there are still some things you can do to try and bring down your rate.
What's your advice to deal with these high mortgage rates right now?
The first thing you want to do is make sure that your credit score is solid. And the second thing you want to do is shop around. Take a look at mortgage brokers and other credit unions and other options that might be available to you.
So, I mean, Vic, as we move into the fall here, what should folks be looking out for if they are in the market?
So a teeny bright spot. Builders are really working to try to fill the inventory gap. We're looking at about half of the inventory that was available compared to before the pandemic. So we just need more housing. Yeah. In some markets, obviously not the hot ones, builders are actually trying to chip in and pay some of your closing costs. So that's a great incentive for buyers. We're seeing more build to rent communities that are popping up across the country. We did a story here on Today about it, which allows you to live that single family lifestyle without worrying about maintenance. You're renting, you've got that flexibility, and you can save toward a down payment. And as far as renters goes, this is interesting. With the exception of a few very high rent big cities, rents are actually tamping down. Why? Young people are living with their parents for longer so they can save money. Older folks aren't trying to get out of their homes, and people who have roommates are happy to stay put. So rental rates are stabilizing.
Okay. You mentioned needing housing. We also in this country need a great deal more affordable housing.
Absolutely.
As well.
Yeah,
There's a
that's
tremendous shortage.
a challenge.
Thank you, Vicky.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.